We're out road tripping today. We're headed up to Kentucky and we came across Grundy's Flea Market.
Yeah.
So,
We're in McCreary County.
McCreary County, yeah.
McCreary County.
And we came across these, so we thought we'd take a look. Never know what you might find. Buick. Bert.
I'll tell you what now.
It's a long car, ain't it?
I think he owns that up there too.
Oh, that out there?
Scrap yard.
Oh, yeah,
junk
yeah.
yard.
Yeah. This is nice.
That there's different.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. What is that?
I don't know. Unless it's like a stew. She said something about stew bacon.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's what this is.
I know we ain't got nothing like that. Nice
No.
bird on the front. Anybody out there know what this is?
Studebaker.
Studebaker? All right.
Studebaker
Commander?
Commander, yeah. That looks like a third, fourth door.
Oh, it does. It's like a suicide door or something.
Yeah. That's different, ain't it?
In a way.
There's another one.
Oh, yeah. These Mustangs. We got some of these.
Yeah, I think she said he was wanting to fix one of the
Mustangs. He needs to come see us and get some parts.
He said he probably wouldn't get rid of Mustangs.
Well, we need to sell him some parts. We got Mustang parts.
Yeah. She said they just had got their dad's 55 Chevy back.
Oh.
She said it'd been redone. She
Yeah.
said it is nice.
This is
I bet
nice.
so I said I'm glad people are still hanging on to these old cars. I said we deal in some old cars and stuff. So
Yeah.
I said, I've seen y'all that went by, so I was gonna turn around and come back and look.
Yeah. So if you ever get up to McCreary County, you have to come see Grundy's Flea Market. What's that?
Custom line, it's a Ford. This is like a 55, 56.
Oh.
I mean,
I think those parts are pretty expensive, aren't they? Because we got a 58. I want to take the 55,
this
56.
is like the station wagon we got. The panel wagon.
Oh. Oh. Oh, the sedan delivery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the,
What's that?
that's a DeSoto.
Oh.
Is that a DeSoto?
Didn't we have one of those one time?
Yeah. Ours is a four-door.
Oh, God.
Oh,
You're in.
it's in my leg,
Oh,
baby.
God. Oh, Lord.
It's in my leg.
I'm not coming that way.
I got briars in my leg.
I'll go around.
That's a slick looking old car right there. That thing is huge. Look at this bird, babe. Wow, that is beautiful.
Oh, my gosh.
Now that's a beautiful
That is
car.
pretty right there. Look at that
Oh, it's a
bird.
Packard, babe.
It's a Packard.
Packard.
Is that Ford?
No, I know somebody will tell us what
Yeah.
it is.
Who makes Packards? I've heard of it. I just don't know.
It's a beautiful car.
Dodge truck down there.
It looks like
This
it
is
would
pretty.
be in a.
Well, you got a long front end on it, don't it?
Yes, it does. It looks like it would be like a luxury car.
Yeah. Can we leave it pink? I like pink. It's my favorite color.
I like the Dodge. I do. I like the Dodge.
The Dodge is nice.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
City,
What year you think this is?
City of Williamsburg.
Oh,
This is in the 30s, late 30s.
that's pretty.
It's a little rough, but
Them big old headlights. We've got some headlights like that. It goes on. That goes on ours. We got a '39 Dodge or something. I think them headlights go on.
a Plymouth.
Plymouth.
Yep. These parts right here would work on that Plymouth.
Yeah, it would. Was a car we got?
Truck.
Truck.
And then a couple old Fords.
Yeah. Look at that chrome going down the side of it right there.
Yeah, boy.
They had some back in the day. Chrome was. I mean, it's beautiful. They don't make cars like this no more.
No, they don't. I bet that whole, see that wood fence right there?
Yeah.
I guarantee there's old cars all in there.
I bet so too.
Grundy.
Yeah. Anyway, if you get a chance, stop up at Grundy's Flea Market, McCreary County. We sure enjoyed it and appreciated letting us walk around.
Ford Fairlane, baby.
Ford Fairlane. One last look here. Last one.
3 Ford. Chevrolet pickup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet there's all kind of old cars back in there.
Yep.